Hi, I'm about to do the draw for February's NetApp training giveaway. The winner will get my NetApp ONTAP Storage Complete course. They'll also get the practice tests from AlphaPrep. And finally, I will pay for their NCDA exam. So good luck, everybody. I will click on the draw button. And I accidentally clicked it twice. Okay, I paused the video there because I was thinking, oh man, how am I going to sort this out? And I really don't know whether Bargavi Vicati or Jose Antonio was actually picked first there. So, you know what, this month, let's just say that you both won. So, one of you has been really lucky there because of my misclick. But hey, hopefully everybody else has got a laugh out of me messing up like that. And Bargavi and Jose, congratulations. You are dual winners of the NetApp giveaway this month. Okay, for everybody else that didn't win, sorry about that. Don't worry too much because I'm going to be running this same giveaway every month this year. So please click the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell to get a notification when we go live with the giveaway again next month. Okay, congratulations again to the winners, and I'll see you later.